This particular example is similar to the last example in terms that we're going to have to use a little bit of logic or reasoning in order to find our general solution, given that g prime of x is equal to the cosine of 3x plus 2. If our function h of x was equal to sine x, then the derivative of that, h prime of x, would be equal to cosine x. Well, that's not the derivative we're looking for. Our derivative we were looking for is h prime of x equals the cosine of 3x plus 2. So what can we do? Let's try changing the argument. The argument on our sine was x. Now we'll change it to a 3x plus 2. So if h of x equaled sine of 3x plus 2, then its derivative, h prime of x, would be equal to cosine of 3x plus 2 times 3. I'm using my chain rule here because I have a linear function, 3x plus 2, embedded within my trigonometric function. Well, when you take a look at that derivative, h prime of x, and compare it to the one we started with, you'll notice that that derivative is 3 times too large. So how can I compensate? Well, I'll change h of x such that h of x is now equal to 1/3 times the sine of 3x plus 2. Now when I take its derivative, h prime of x, using the chain rule, I'll have 1/3 cosine of 3x plus 2 times 3. The 1/3 times the 3 gives me 1, so that I end up with h prime of x equaling the cosine of 3x plus 2. That was the derivative we were given at the beginning of the question. Therefore, we can now state our general solution. H of x must be equal to 1/3 sine of 3x plus 2 plus c, where c is an element of real numbers.